Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna add a couple more photos from the previous shoots. Let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is change to the Canon color. You can see that that's the standard color. Let me change the profile to the standard color, and then I'm gonna edit some of these. So first I'm gonna retouch a little bit in here. You can see that this is the 85 F1.2L, the RF, the new one. It's not the defocus one, it's just the regular one that I have. And then it's very sharp in the eyes. You can see the eyes are very sharp. And I'm gonna just do some retouch, and everything else is blur out. So the Canon IAF is pretty good already. So let me do some quick edits. Increase the exposure a little bit. And I'm gonna add some shadow. There's some shadow around this area, and then let me try to add it in the portraiture 3 and then see how it goes. So I'm gonna select the area with the different skin tones. Okay, so overall it's nice and smooth. I'm gonna smooth out a little bit more in the eyes area. Okay, so that's good, and then increase slightly and then export it out. So the next one, I'm gonna just copy this one, and let's see, paste it here, reduce the green in the back. Must smooth the skin a little bit in here. Okay, so overall skin is good, and you can see the eyes is very sharp also, and you can see that the reflection of me inside also. So it's very sharp for the Canon lens that shot at wide open f1.2. And let me see, a little bit more shadow in this area. Yep. Okay. Now let's do a portraiture 3. So once I select the portraiture 3, and now I'm gonna do a 4x5 crop on this one. So once the portraiture 3 is ready, and then do a 4x5. You can use this one as the guideline. Okay, so that's good. Slightly up a little bit more so that it has nice flower in here. Nicely fill the frame. Export it out. Next one, so this one, let's do some retouching first. Okay, that's good. And then paste it. Reduce the green a little bit in the back. Four by 5 crop, you can see here, just use as a reference. You can crop it closer, make sure that in the head is in the center piece here. I'm gonna smooth the skin a little bit. You can see the eyes are very sharp also. So I'm very impressed with this 1.2L lens from the RF lineup. I use it mostly for like page shoots. It's very reliable for the RF lens to be in focus, and then my paid clients, they usually like the look and feel of the Canon. So that's one of the advantage of the RF lens is they like this color profile a lot. So after that, I'm gonna just do so overall lighting is good, everything is soft. I'm just gonna do a portraiture 3 in here. Select the color of the tone of the skin. Okay, so you can see that it's very sharp and everything else is nice and soft. So export it out. Last one, I'm gonna edit. Let me choose one last one. This one is pretty good too. I'm gonna increase a little bit more of the lighting here. And then increase the lighting in here. Next, I'm gonna do a soft skin. And then do a shadow here. Okay, so that's good. And then do a portraiture 3 edit. So these edits are pretty fast because the lighting is already nice and even. And I'm gonna do a crop around this area here so that it's cropping, mostly retaining all the parts from the top. So let me choose the different skin. Okay, so choose a different skin tone. Okay, so that's it. And then if I want to do a 4:5 crop, I will just crop it up, use the most in here, use the top, slightly crop tighter in this case, like this. Nice balance of the foreground also. So export it out. And once like that, and thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.